Program of the Northeastern Organization in the whole of the Northeastern region, in all the state capitals where we have the sit and strike to pressurize the state governments and also the government of India to take note of this very serious issue that has been plaguing the Northeastern region for so many years now, since independence. And we have faced this problem of illegal immigration of people from across the border, especially from Bangladesh, to the different states of the northeastern region. And we have seen the situation in Tripura, we have seen now the situation in Assam, and even in Meghalaya. We have witnessed so many upheavals and people's movement against this infiltration of people from Bangladesh. So this sit and strike is a call to the government of India and also to the state governments of the different states of northeastern region to take note of this very serious issue and to take proactive actions on the ground to stop this illegal infiltration. Well, we hope that the governments at the center and the states are responsible governments, and even a strike of 1 hour or even a strike of 10 days, I think it will not make any difference to them if they are responsible enough for the welfare and protection of the indigenous peoples of the different states of the northeastern region. And as we have seen, on the 15th of August 2025, the Prime Minister of India has recognized the gravity of the issue, in which he has stated that the demography of the country, and especially we think the northeastern region, has been affected because of this large scale illegal immigration from Bangladesh. So we hope that the government of India, in which the Prime Minister has acknowledged this grave issue, we hope that the government of India will take concrete steps on the ground so as to protect the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the northeastern region. Delaying with the implementation of ILP, the central government, but we want the state, we demand from the state that it should pursue aggressively with the implementation of ILP, because things are becoming serious and one day it will be too late. Therefore, as long as the government, both the governments cannot implement ILP or any other mechanism to safeguard the identity, the rights of the indigenous people, the KSU, as you've said earlier, will have the KSU is compelled to take the law into its own hands. A very serious matter in not only in Meghalaya but in the entire northeast region for many decades now. We have seen the demographic changes in many northeastern states, notably Tripura, Assam, and even in Meghalaya also. Also, this demographic imbalance also used to create stir in most of the northeastern state. We have seen there are conflicts, contestation of space between the indigenous people and the non-indigenous people. And the Khasi Students Union, under the aegis of the Northeast Students Organization, had been at the forefront to demand from the central government as well as the state government to curb the unabated flow of illegal immigrants into our state and in entire northeast region. We have been organizing rallies, agitations from time and again, and today also, under the instruction of the Northeast Students Organization, in a meeting held on the 6th of this month in Guwahati, the different components of the Northeast Students Organization are organizing protest rallies across the entire region in all the headquarters, the capitals of the 7 northeastern states.